Hello everyone, this is Wasma Taslim. I would like to thank Team English Experts Select for giving me the floor. The motion of this debate competition is who plays important role in our society, men or women. My team and I are gonna convince you women play important role in our society. Imagine a world without women, without the contribution that we have attained from women. Do you know women took part in military sector in a war of revolution? Approximately 350,000 American women joined in U.S. military during the World War II. They worked as nurses, drove trucks, and so on. I should mention their name: Jane, the first U.S. Navy flight nurse; Nancy, the first female pilot; Susan, Ravi Bradley, and this name won't be concluded. So, what do you think? What do you think that was it possible to stop this hazardous world war without the service of that huge number of women? Aren't they playing important role in our society? Queen Elizabeth, known as one of the greatest female leader in our history, who chose to marry her country instead of a man. And from here we can realize that how man is less important before a woman's insistence. We all know about Nelson Mandela, but do you know about Sojourner Truth? She is the first black woman in America's history to win such a case against a white man in 1828, almost 100 years before the birth of Nelson Mandela. So surely Mandela was inspired from Sojourner Truth and brought this revolution. Doesn't it make sense that men are just bringing a revolution from the inspiration of a women, or men copying women? I dropped this question to my opponent team, and so it will be a matter of joke to believe that men play important role in our society. My audience, we all know about Mujini Shahid, who is representing our country even in Oxford. She is also an excellent teacher. It's noticeable that women are also fighting and doing the best in this pandemic situation by online and other platforms. Where are your men right now? Are they sleeping? What do you know about Global Teacher Prize? The first person who became the first recipient of Global Teacher Prize is Nancy Atwell, is a woman, and Riyadh is 2018 Global Teacher Prize winner, and Hannan was in 2016. A woman is the full circle. Within her is the power to create, nurture, and transform. Let me conclude this topic with a question for my rival: that why International Women's Day is more popular than Men's Day? Is it a sign to men's expulsion from our society? Thank you, honorable judges, audience, and thanks to all.